I am, standing on the shoulders of these giants, standing on the shoulders of a law and the 5%ers, standing in a place that's going to be the cornerstone of the new civilization. This the place people love hip-hop and they love music. Every day they turn on their radios and tune in.
The new sound, the new scene.
That wants change by sonic revolution. We urge you to join the resistance and help us combat the mediocre audio and visual programming that is being fed to the inhabitants of Earth.
Seems to be an invasion into the music